It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we're doing some cleanup, baby. We're gonna get rid of these laptop power supplies, these inefficient bricks, and we're gonna replace them with some of these beautiful cables from the Veteran Miner, and we're gonna do some cleanup. Let's get to it. Ready and go. There she is. Look at these beautiful Veteran Miner cables, way nicer. Let's power it on for the first time, and boom. There we go, baby. We cleaned up back there. We moved some ASICs around. We got the mini iPolo down here. And yeah, much better, much cleaner. And that'll give us space to add one more of these coming soon. Let's go. Peace.